We are going to turn much colder, and those snow chances will be on the rise, and we will see a sticking snow here in central Indiana, primarily on those elevated grassy surfaces, but even on some roadways that certainly could be the case. We're going to get to that here in a moment, but if you're trying to head out the door right now, you're getting out to temperatures in the 40s. Live Guardian radar locally is currently dry, but we do have some showers off to the west, and these are going to slide through the state during the morning hours. So if you're about to head on out, I'd take the rain gear with you just so you don't get caught under some of these showers a little later in the morning. Here we are as we head towards daybreak. Showers western side of the state closer to 9 a.m. moving closer to Marion County, and then as we're getting to the lunch hour, those showers are pushing off onto the eastern side of the state, and they will exit into the early afternoon. We will get more sunshine back today. Temperatures just won't be as warm. We got into the upper 60s, some 70s yesterday. We'll see temperatures more seasonal, right around a high of 50. We're starting off upper 30s, lower 40s to mid 40s, 39 in Lafayette, 45 in Indy. So this is quite a change for us. We're running 15 to 20 degrees colder than this time yesterday. And then by tomorrow morning, we'll be feeling another 20 degrees colder once you factor in the wind chill. So make sure you're getting that heavy coat prepared. I'd say take the jacket out the door this morning, and then you'll want a heavier option tomorrow. We'll see temperatures rise to about 50 degrees this afternoon. That's average for this time of year. We get that reinforcing shot of cold air that slides in tonight. Temperatures sharply drop as we head into the evening and into Thursday, and we are tracking the first snow of the season here for central Indiana. We are looking at a few patchy showers of rain to snow possible during the overnight early morning hours, but the primary timing for us is going to come as we get into the afternoon, mainly after 3 o'clock through that evening rush into the early evening hours. And we could see accumulations looking favorable, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, but some localized higher amounts north and east of Indianapolis, about 1.5 inches to 2.5 inches, not out of the question. So we could see some slick spots for the evening commute tomorrow. Just keep that in mind, especially as you're traveling over those elevated surfaces, bridges, overpasses, which will cool and freeze more quickly. Let's talk about temperatures. This is a wind chill. This is not the air temperature. This is what it will feel like. As we're getting into the evening, 8 o'clock, we're in the 30s. By tomorrow morning, it feels like we are in the upper teens, lower 20s, and then we just stay there all day. Winds pick up. They'll be gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour. So it's going to keep that wind chill down. And when we do get a little bit of precipitation, whether it be in the form of rain or a bit of a mix through the overnight hours, we are going to be talking wind-whipped snow, and that's going to be more of an impact as we get into the afternoon. So we could see a few flurries around early tomorrow, but primarily it's noon. We'll start seeing those snow showers coming in from the north. Those will slide south across the state through the afternoon and evening, and by about 10 o'clock we are wrapping that up, but not before we lay down about 1 inch to 2 inches of snowfall, with again some areas of higher amounts possible. That will be the coldest day of the week tomorrow. As we get into Friday, temperatures still start cold in the low 30s. Don't think you'll have too much of a commute problem Friday morning, maybe some slick spots, but road crews will have plenty of time to treat those roads. Temperatures into the afternoon on Friday, we're in the mid 40s on Saturday, and then back to average Sunday, 50 degrees. So a cooler weekend, but more seasonal, and we hang on to those 50s into early next week.